Hi everyone! Welcome back to Smart ESL Path, your place to learn English the smart and easy way. How to introduce yourself in English. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most important topics in English conversation: how to introduce yourself. You know that question everyone dreads? Tell me about yourself. Whether you're in class, at work, or meeting someone new, being able to introduce yourself clearly and confidently is a must. So grab your notebook, relax, and let's learn together.
Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to support our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
Why it's important. Many learners think introductions are simple, but in reality, they can be tricky. You never know when you'll have to talk about yourself. In an English class, a job interview, or even in front of a big audience. That's why you should prepare and practice your self-introduction before you actually need it. Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll have your own ready-to-use introduction. You can even share it in the comments down below, so I can check it for you. Step 1. Greetings. Let's start with the basics. Greetings. Your greeting sets the tone for the whole introduction. Here are some formal greetings. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Tip: don't say good night when you arrive. It's used when you leave, not when you start a conversation. And now, informal greetings for casual situations. Hi. Hey. What's up? How's it going? Choose one that feels natural for you. The best greeting is the one you can say confidently. Step 2. Your name. Next, tell people your name. You can say, I'm Linda. My name is Linda. Hi, this is Linda. On the phone or online. Example: Hi, I'm Linda. Nice to meet you. Simple, natural, and polite. Step 3. Where you're from. Now let's talk about where you're from. You can say, I'm from Vietnam. I was born and raised in Hanoi. I grew up in Da Nang, but now live in Ho Chi Minh City. Try combining them. I'm from Vietnam. I was born and raised in Hanoi, but I'm currently living in Ho Chi Minh City. Step 4. What you do. Job or studies. Next, talk about your job or studies. If you're working, say, I work as a marketing staff member at a supermarket. I'm an English teacher. I work in the IT field. If you're a student, I'm a student at Hanoi University. I study English and business. Grammar tip. Say I work at plus company, or I work for company, not I work in company. Step 5. Hobbies and interests. After that, you can share something about your hobbies. Try these expressions. In my free time, I like. I really enjoy. I'm a big fan of. Example. In my free time, I like watching movies and going for coffee with my friends. This part helps people connect with you on a personal level. Step 6. Personality. To make your self-introduction more interesting, describe your personality. Use phrases like, I'd say I'm friendly and hardworking. People describe me as positive and creative. I'm the kind of person who enjoys helping others. It's short, but it gives others a great first impression. Step 7. Goals or dreams. You can also share your goals or dreams. For example, my goal is to become fluent in English. I want to work in an international company. I hope to travel the world one day. This shows confidence and motivation, 2 things people always remember. Step 8. Put it all together. Now, let's combine everything into a full self-introduction.
Hi, I'm Linda. I'm from Vietnam and I was born and raised in Hanoi. I work as a marketing staff member at a supermarket. In my free time, I enjoy watching movies and spending time with my family. I'd say I'm friendly and optimistic, and my goal is to become fluent in English.
Step 9. Fun fact, optional. Sometimes people ask for a fun fact about yourself, especially in classes or workshops. You can prepare something interesting like, I can play 3 musical instruments such as the guitar, the piano, and the flute. I once climbed Fancy Pond Mountain in 2012, and it was one of the best memories I had. I love cats, and I have 4 of them. Keep it short and friendly. It's just a way to make people smile. Step 10. Make it flow. When you have all your sentences ready, try to combine them naturally. Instead of many short sentences, make it flow. Good morning, everyone. My name's Linda. I'm a 34-year-old marketing staff member from Hanoi. I love learning English, meeting new people, and spending time with my family. I'd describe myself as positive and creative, and my dream is to build my own English learning channel. Smooth, confident, and easy to remember. Review and challenge. Let's quickly review. 1. Greeting. 2. Name. 3. Where you're from. 4. What you do. 5. Hobbies. 6. Personality. 7. Goals. 8. Optional fun fact. Your challenge: write your own introduction using these steps, then record yourself saying it aloud. You can even post it in the comments. I'll check a few of them. Model answers. Before ending, Smart ESL Path will give you guys 2 versions of introducing yourself fully. Listen and see what you can learn from it to add to yours.
Number 1. Full self-introduction. Hello everyone, my name's Linda, and I'm from Hanoi, Vietnam. I work as a marketing staff member at a supermarket. I really enjoy my job because it allows me to be creative and learn something new every day. In my free time, I love watching movies, listening to music, and spending time with my family. People often describe me as friendly, positive, and hardworking. My goal is to become fluent in English and one day start my own business where I can help others learn English in a fun and simple way. A fun fact about me is that I can't start my morning without a cup of coffee. Thank you for listening. I'm really happy to meet you all. Number 2. Shorter, more fluent version. Natural flow. Hi everyone, I'm Linda, a marketing staff member from Hanoi, Vietnam. I love learning English, watching movies, and spending time with my family. People say I'm friendly and hardworking, and my dream is to become fluent in English and build my own business one day. Nice to meet you all. Tips for learners. Smile and speak clearly. Your tone matters more than perfect grammar. Keep it short, 30 to 45 seconds. Add one personal detail, a hobby, goal, or fun fact. Practice in front of a mirror or record yourself. Be proud of your story. It's unique.
Great job, everyone. Now you can introduce yourself in English with confidence and style. How would you introduce yourself?
Now comment your own example below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily English practice.